Last November, we introduced you to the newest addition to the Kohler family, KSD, Kohler Small Displacement, our latest platform of engines. We told you that it is suitable for all regions, compliant with all exhaust emission norms, compatible with all kinds of non-road vehicles. We told you it has the latest technology to deliver the best performance for every machine. What we haven't told you is why it's the best, because it will save you money and time thanks to a low total cost of ownership, extended service intervals, and easy maintenance. The total cost of ownership is a key success factor in our value proposition. The optimized fuel consumption and extended service intervals will allow you to spend less on fuel and spare parts. How can KSD do that? Today, the KSD has the best fuel consumption. Compared to the average consumption of its competitors, it delivers fuel savings of 6 to 8%. Its indirect injection system does not affect fuel consumption rate. On the contrary, the electronic management system allows precise fuel metering, driving low oil and fuel need and preventing oil dilution as well as heavy soot oil contamination. Let's dive deeper into the features and benefits of the engine to understand how it achieves such a low total cost of ownership. First of all, service intervals contribute. Needless to say, the less you have to do maintenance, the more you will save. And here we can help you with that, because the KSD offers extended service intervals. The KSD provides, as standard, an oil filter that has a service interval of 500 hours, compared to the competitor's average of 250 hours. This means that every 1,000 operating hours, you will buy 2 less oil filters. The more you work, the less you spend. On standard equipment, the oil sump capacity is 3.7 liters. Do you need more for a challenging duty cycle? No problem. We have an enhanced oil sump of 5.3 liters and oil and fuel filters ready for 1,000 hour intervals. Again, doubling the interval, you also double the savings. What's more to extend your maintenance duty? The KSD comes standard with a 2,000 hour heavy-duty environment Poly-V belt solution, which is up to 4 times longer than the average competitor's belt change. Not to forget, hydraulic lash adjusters need no adjustment for the entire life of the engine. The 2,000 hours of service interval of the Poly-V fan belt added to no valve adjustment give the KSD a 3-year warranty, providing up to 6,000 hours of protection. All considered, the total cost of ownership is reduced, making KSD-powered applications extremely productive with increased uptime. The KSD also offers an optional oil condition monitor, which provides real-time monitoring capability. It detects and reports the oil end of life based on viscosity and oxidation, and the key failure mode. On top of this, it integrates into the existing CAN bus, ECU, and in-vehicle display. The advantage of the sensor is that it allows the oil to be changed only when it is degrading. This means that you can just top off the oil without changing it, which greatly extends the change interval. In this way, the oil condition is always under control, optimizing maintenance and making it predictive while reducing downtime too. Any equipment operator can see the significant long-term cost reductions by integrating oil condition monitoring into their maintenance strategy. What is surprising about the KSD is the ease of maintenance. In fact, it only takes 2 tools to do routine maintenance. All you need is a band spanner to remove the oil and diesel filters, commonly used and easy to find, and a stretch belt tool to fit and remove the alternator fan belt. Complexity becomes simplicity. KSD has some super smart functions. It gives you the possibility to develop or integrate functions such as prognostic, diagnostic, geolocation, or remote monitoring. For example, do you have any doubts about how your engine is performing? You can check on Cura. It's the Kohler Integrated Remote Analytics. Forget the old-fashioned interface of diagnostic tools. This is a totally new diagnostic experience. Cura is easy to use and can be connected to the engine system via cable. Cura features include diagnosis, flashing, recording, reporting, and technical documentation. Proper maintenance is key. we also developed the Kohler Check app, a free smartphone app which gives you everything you need to know about your engine in the palm of your hand. It features a complete library of technical manuals and videos, customized maintenance program that is based on your usage, and the ability to purchase spare parts directly from the app. It's simple, advanced, and versatile. It's KSD.